Welcome back. We are probably going to be saying goodbye to Miss Tioga pretty soon. After all that work, um, not just yet, but I put a lot of thought into it, put a lot of work into it, but it had to be done. I'm going to continue to use her for a while, but um, I'm we'll get into that a little bit later. For now, I've decided I'm going to strip all this. We're taking we're going to go without a generator. At least that big one. I might pick up a little one, just keep it in there in case I would need it for something. The motorcycle's coming back off. I'm 90% certain on that. I've emptied this. I cleaned this Tioga out. I took four totes, bins of stuff out of her. We're gonna lighten her up, and I'm probably gonna replace her out on the road somewhere. Out in my travels, I'm gonna be keeping my eye out, and her days are numbered. Look at anyway, windy, like 45 degrees. Let's get out of this wind. Let's get out of the wind and say hi to Bella. I'm Bella. It's like in the mid-40s this morning. It's supposed to go down, I think, in the 30s tonight. And we're still in the general area. We haven't gone far yet. A lot's been going on lately, and I just wasn't sure how much of it I wanted to share, so we've been kind of quiet. We've been out hiding 4 or 5 days at Crooked Creek, days and nights, and did some parking lot hopping. Went up to Brookville for a handful of days and nights. I've rethought this whole Tioga thing. I don't know. I'll just leave it at that for now. I still have one point of business to attend to here in about 5 days. I gotta go take care of an issue with my little car, what I'm gonna do with it for the winter before I head out of here, before we head out of here. I don't know why, it just seems so much more involved and complicated leaving this year than it did last year. I must have had my too many irons in the fire. I was involved in too many things, but I still have a little bit more to do. But we're going to be running away here soon, and this Tioga is going to be a lot lighter. And that way, if I find another RV that suits me, the process of moving from one to the other will be a lot easier, and we'll get things sorted out later. Huh? What do you think? What do you think, girl? You ready? I don't know what we're doing today. I might go take care of the car thing, and just, I can put that behind me, and she's getting impatient. Hey, a little bit of patience over there, please. Huh? A little bit of patience over there, okay? Okay? All right. I've been meaning to say about this parking lot hopping. There's a Walmart over here. And, we're up in West Katanning, Pennsylvania, and I've been meaning to say something about these. Walmarts are known for being RV friendly, most of them. That doesn't mean that other retailers are not RV friendly. They're just not known for it. It's just not advertised. They haven't put a statement, you know, on their website. They haven't declared it to be. That's what it is. So that Walmart parking lot's just across the ways over there. But there's this other parking lot here that's Franklin Village Mall. I think it's what it's called. McDonald's right over here, and Big Lots, and Tractor Supply, Shopping to Save, grocery store down that way. But, you know, trucks have stayed here, and other RVs, as you can see. Okay. So, there's a Rachel's Roadhouse, a McDonald's, Long John Silver's, Valley Family Dairy Restaurant. It's pretty quiet in the evening, so you know, Walmart's not the only place. All right, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna go. So I'm back here at Highland Tire, where I bought the tires for the RV, and I'm gonna put new tires on the Ford Focus. I know, what do I need new tires on the Ford Focus if it's gonna be up here sitting all winter, right? Never mind. This building has a very historical significance. It's a historical landmark. Any guesses what it might be? Tarentum, we're in Tarentum, Pennsylvania. Tarentum Landmark. Check this out. That's pretty cool, huh? And they just have this one bay. Just one way in, one way out. They're a little busy right now. But it still has the rails in the floor where they pull the old streetcars in and out. Well, where they drove the streetcars in and out to service them and such. Something tells me there used to be more rails. So check this out, okay? So it looks like there was originally 4 bays here. Up at each bay. Yep, Highland Tire, lots of tires. See? The rails in the floor. Man, they got a lot of tires here. Yeah, and I think I'm tempted to go up to the Historical Society and see if I can get some back in the day pictures of this place. Do some of them then and now pictures. But I think they're only open Wednesdays and Saturdays. I don't know if I'll be able to do that or not. Well, if I can, they'll be here. If they're not here, they're closed. Alright, we're gonna get tires on the Focus and back to RV stuff. Okay. Hey, back to the RV for a minute. Yeah, all that work I've done to it. I still have to, I'm still using it. Whether it's another month or 6 months. Oops. You know, whether I still have to keep it safe, reliable, and legal. So I'm not gonna let it get neglected and in a bad state. So same thing going on with the car. It's actually gonna get used this winter while I'm away. So 2 of the tires leaked, had a slow leak, and 2 of them should have been, but they weren't. So new tires, just got the oil changed. I might take a look at the front brakes and make sure they're okay too. And that's gonna wrap it up for the car. And get back to the RV and get things taken care of with it. So much has happened. So much going on lately. You know, and there's been a lot of this last minute stuff, so it's not always just out video making. I've said it before. It's my favorite saying. RVing isn't always campfires and marshmallows. So, alright. I'm really cutting it close again this year somehow. Okay, yeah, we're back at the garage. The car is done. New tires, oil change. The front brakes are fine. That thing's ready to go. That's going to be put to use a little bit this winter. We're going to strip this Tioga down a little bit. That's all coming off the back end. The propane's going to ride up above in a crate where it stays put. The generator, the gasoline, the rack, that's all coming off of there. And I have a new solution. The thing with the motorcycle is, it's an emergency. It's my emergency vehicle. Even if it's not something for recreation. If I'm out exploring off the beaten path somewhere and I'm out of cell service and the Tioga breaks down, how do I call for help? Hike out of the desert, get dehydrated and die in the desert. That's not my plan. So I can always get on the motorcycle and I think that's good for up to 100 miles on a full tank or so. So, I could ride to where there's cell service again or the nearest town. So that's an emergency backup. But I have a solution to that. That's coming off. I decided to get an e-bike. One of those fat tire, those 4-inch wide fat tire e-bikes. It has a range up to 25 to 45 miles, depending if you want to pedal a little bit or not. Yeah, 20 miles an hour, up to 20 miles an hour, and 25 to 45 mile an hour range. So, and it only weighs like 65 pounds. I can put that, it's the size of a bicycle. I can actually put it inside the RV. Anyway, that stuff's coming off. That's coming off. I've already cleaned this out. There's 5 totes full of stuff from inside. There's stuff there on the floor from cleaning out some of these outside compartments. Gonna lighten this Tioga up. And in our travels, we're gonna be RV shopping. Anyway, I ordered the e-bike. FedEx will be bringing it in a handful of days. That's it. We're getting close. The weather, yeah, I'm cutting it close with this weather. It's supposed to go down to like 40 degrees tonight. The forecast is, a lot of the nights it's going down into the 30s, and it's only going up to the mid 50s, maybe 60 in the daytime. So fall weather is definitely here. I'm running it down to the last days where snow's going to be flying if I don't hurry up and get this all together. That's the plan. We'll be back soon. We'll be out of here. I thought I was done at this dang garage. Oh, and then after all this cleanup work, I gotta do something with that junk in there. I gotta clean the garage up one more time. Then we'll be out of here. So, check back. We'll be on the road soon. Bella's already been in this video. Here, Bella. Can you see her in there? Hi, Bella. Say till next time. Comment, like, thumbs up, subscribe. Till next time, I'll see you.